Alright, so today we're gonna be playing Slime Lab. It's a game where you knock people off the edge and kill them. That's basically it. You can double jump, you can get swords and armor, and nobody likes you if you use swords because, well, sometimes it's necessary, but in times where you could just knock people off, then no. Then don't use swords. Knocking people off is so much more fun. That's the point of slime. You have no soul if you use swords. Or axes for that matter, because they do damage as well. I'm gonna want that sword just in case I need it. Probably won't, because these people are gonna be nice and know how to play slime. And if they don't, I'll freaking kill them with my sword. Oh. Already I'm seeing people who don't know how to play slime mode. You do not need to exist. Didn't work. Bye-bye. What? Bye-bye. What? Take knockback, please? Okay, sir, you need to stop. Like, right now. And I need to stop dying. No! What the? I'm head out. Don't you dare. Don't do it. Don't you do that. Don't you do that. Oh my god, I'm at no health. I need to run. How? I'm stressing. How? I'm mad. If you use sword, you're bad. Yes. Ah, frick. I want those boots. They're very useful. Good thing nobody's after me. I was expecting to be rushed because I don't use Nyx when doing stuff like this. But, well, I'm getting lucky. Just kidding, I'm not getting lucky because I just got his stone sword. I'm not expecting diamond or anything, but at least a sharpness sword. Oh, I'm an idiot. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. So bad. My aim is terrible. You need to not. Thank you. I hate you. What the? Bye-bye. Oh, he's dead. He's deaf. What? Okay, you stop. Stop living. That is not very kind. Oh. You need to not. You need to not. You need to really not. What is that stick gonna? Really? Somebody's using a sword. Do whatever you can in your power to go away. Thank you. You need to stop using your axe and go away. Oh my god. Oh. I just got insanely lucky. You need to not. Oh my god. What? No. Go away. Go away, please. Stop targeting me and go away. Oh, hi. Didn't expect to see you here. Ah! Go away! No! Don't chase after me and go after that other guy. Stop. Oh my god, I'm so bad. I'm so bad! Oops. I was playing Skywars earlier today. I'm used to doing that. No wonder I could choose the map. Alright. What we're gonna do is rush mid, even though Shire is the worst to do that. And Slime. Go down here, little secret passage, here. Oh, I just got a fire aspect sword. Looks like somebody's gonna die. Oh my god, go away. Give me that, and I'm running. I am running as fast as I can. Give me that. Don't come after me. Please, don't come after me. Ah! I can't move. So bad. What is wrong with me today? Then I have to break through that. Not like that's possible. Oh, wow. Thanks, Hypixel. Thanks for not giving me a stupid chest plate. I can't deal with this now. Alright, now everyone back off. Don't come near me or I'll blast you into oblivion. Oh, or I'll just die. GG. I know I said I wouldn't use swords, but I kind of had to because I had nothing else to. Well, I mean, I haven't knocked Slime. So. He was in a place where he couldn't take knockback, so if you ask me, it was the smart choice, considering I have the fire aspect sword. Okay. Aha! I see. Whoa. You want to not? I almost want to use my sword in this case. Oh, he's dead. He's dead! If I hit him once, he's dead. Oh, I'm being cocky. GG. GG. GG, bro. GG. If you're watching this, GG. Oh! Already a jackpot? Thank you! Oh, no. I think somebody's already dead. And I think they were in the island next to me, so I better hurry up. Oh, well, what do you know? This guy's gonna die. Oh, I'm dead. I'm so dead. What? No! Yeah, I'm so dumb. Why did I attack that guy? He had full armor. Also, why didn't my ender pearl work? Somebody's toxic. Luckily, they don't know how good I am at this game. And then just cut to me how being bad at this game. I hate you. You need to not. Now give me the stuff in here. Oh. No, go away. Good. Don't come anywhere near me now. I don't need a chest plate. I already have one. I don't need a chest plate. I already have one. Give me one when I already. Oh wait, no, it's just. How I fix one? Give. You. Hey, this game is gonna go well for me, isn't it? Nope. I got hit with a big boy slime. Miraculously took no damage, but Why am I? GG. You dare attack someone? Cool, free stuff. Oh! Hi. I suppose you want to die. There's a gap. Now I'm gonna knock you into oblivion. Oh my god, never mind. I'm in a position where he doesn't take knockback, and I'm being double teamed. Why do people double team? Well, I have a strategy for this map. If I can make it, I go there, and then I just double jump over there. Oh, but I'm not that island, so I can't. Whoa, maybe I can. Oh my god. What is my life? Oh! Why can't I make that jump? Get out of here. Nobody likes you. Oh, you're kidding. No. Oh! Give me that stuff! Thank you. Oh, I can just rain arrows from above. No! What the heck? What is my luck? I'm gonna waste an ender pearl. I don't care. First I don't get any armor from mid, and now I don't get knockback slime? How am I gonna win this now? Oh well, at least I have a red hot stick which has knockback 5. What an abomination. Give me that jump boost. Now I'm ready to lose. Just like always. Ha ha ha. What? I wasn't given leggings. You need to get out of here. Haha. Get juked. Ah! You need to die! Oh my god! Okay, I'm mad. I've been getting targeted all game. I am done with that. Ooh, gaps. Just hurt us. Wow, okay. Give me that good stuff. No! Oh, good. I don't think you want to do that, bud. I don't think you want to do that. Bye. Have a nice life. I think it was a mistake letting him live. Was my... Oh... What the... What the... Who uses swords? Also, who targets people? He raided my base. I had nothing. Okay, I can win this. I can win this game. I can win this game. I just need to be good for a bit. Ah! gonna do because I don't have anything and everyone's targeting me. Because I have the glorious knockback slime. So I can win this. Oh! I can win this if I'm not targeted! Alright, this is the match. This is the match I win. Let's just hope my luck is good. Let's hope my luck is good and that has the knockback slime. Nope. You dare? Bye-bye. Take knockback! Oh my god! I'm so good. Am I just gonna have to deal with this knockback, this stupid knockback red hot stick? No, get out of here. Chest plate, yes, good. Now give me a sword. Thank you. I'm gonna have to deal with a knockback rod. That sucks. Oh, I love doing that. It's just a... Ah! Can you not? Bye-bye. Oh my god. Ah! Who uses swords? Apparently that guy. I'm not losing this. I'm not losing this some nerd who with the knockback slime. Ah! No! No, 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 no. Sorry, but I'm gonna have to say no. Ah! Okay, that was my only lifeline. I need to just do this. That was good. Oh my god. There's a sword user here. What? 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 Stop! Stop! Go away and stop targeting me! Well, there's me and RQ4. Let's hope I can snipe. Go away! Bye-bye. I'm out. No! Oh! Oh! It was the block clutch. It was the block clutch! So bad. Alright, this is the game. I am prophesizing that this is the game. I am going to win! Bye-bye. What? Uh-oh. Please take knockback. No, I'm just gonna let him use his anti-KB hacks. Oh, and other people. You think I was gonna let him kill me? Oh, this guy's dead. Bye-bye. No. Stop. Stop. I'm gonna have to kill you. That guy's definitely nicked. I've seen that name before. There's no way it could be the same guy. I mean, there is a way, I guess, but... Wait, there's no way that could be Nick. Hypixel doesn't come up with that name. With those types of names. Oh my god! What the? Was it just me or did he hit me without looking at me? Bye. Bye. Ah! No. Whoa! Never mind, it was just a visual glitch. Ah. I can't allow... What? Can you not? Can you die, please? Thank you. Just kidding, not thank you, because he didn't die! Dang it. What an idiot. Oh, jeez. I am oh my god. You need to not. Oh my god. I almost died to this guy. Ha! Can't kill me in here. He's too bad to use a sword. Cuts all the times I said who uses swords. Ah! No, 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 no! Oh my god. Why do I take so much knockback? I mean, I get it's a knockback X line, but there's no way. It didn't deal that much knockback earlier. Oh, not this map. This map's dumb. Hypixel removed this map. It's the worst map to ever exist. It had to be said. Alright, I'm killing this guy. Let's just hope he's not a lightning fast chest raider. He's a lightning fast chest raider. He's gonna kill me, isn't he? Oh, wow, what? How bad can you be at this game? That shouldn't have been enough. If he was good, he would have survived that. But no, he's bad. I hate to say it, but he's bad. If you do that, you're bad too. Ow. No. You wanna not, kid? You wanna not? Bye. My FPS dropped. Oh, it's regaining. It's regaining. 30 FPS. You use the sword, you die. So that's why I've been dying all these times. I've been using swords. Anyway, GG boy. GG bro. GG bro. Okay, who wants to die? This boyo? Bye! Launched, I tell you. Oh, last guy's me. Oh, is he gonna use a sword? Is he gonna use a sword? How much health does he have? Wait. Bye. Bye. GG.